Many people are asking whether Dr. Riek Machar court trial led to the arrest of Samuel Peter Oyai in the United Arab Emirates. Samuel Peter Oyai, a South Sudanese political commentator, was reportedly taken into custody in Dubai in the early hour of these 2 days. This has raised many questions about the possible connection between his arrest and recent development in South Sudan. Today we bring you an in-depth analysis of the arrest, reaction from family and community, political implications, and legal framework surrounding such action abroad. Stay with us as we explore every detail of this developing story. According to family source, Samuel Peter Oyai was arrested at his residence around 1 a.m. by Sikh officer. The operation reportedly lasted over 2 hours. During the arrest, Oyai family, including young children, were kept in a separate room. The officers reportedly informed the family that he would be held for a 5-day investigation. No personal electronic or document were taken. Family members confirm all visas and legal residency documents are valid. Eyewitness described the arrest as sudden and intimidating. Children reportedly cried as their fathers were escorted away, leaving the family shaken and deeply concerned for his safety. For those unfamiliar, Samuel Peter Oyai is a prominent political analyst and commentator on South Sudanese affairs. He is widely respected for providing thoughtful and analytical commentary rather than implementary statement. Recently, he wrote an article critically examining Dr. Riek Machar's ongoing court trial, questioning fairness and impartiality. Some observers suggest that this article may have drawn attention from authorities, potentially contributing to his arrest. Oyai work has a significant following among the South Sudanese diaspora, who rely on his analysis for accurate information about political events in their home country. To understand the possible link, we need to look at the political situation in South Sudan. Dr. Riek Machar, the former vice president, is currently facing a high-profile trial in Juba. Charges against him include treason and crimes against humanity. This trial has been widely covered and is considered controversial by many observers. Samuel Peter Oyai commentary questioned possible political biases in the proceeding. While no evidence directly connected Oyai article to his arrest, the timing has raised speculation among analysts and the South Sudanese community worldwide. Oyai family has spoken about the incident. His wife described being locked in a separate room with their children during the arrest. She said the family is now living in fear and uncertainty. South Sudanese diaspora communities have reached strongly on social media, demanding his immediate release and expressing deep concern for his safety. Community leaders are also questioning whether these arrests represent a broader trend of targeting South Sudanese critics abroad. Observers note that Oyai has consistently focused on analysis rather than provocative or inflammatory statement, making this arrest particularly surprising. It is important to consider the United Arab Emirates legal system. The United Arab Emirates legal system maintains strict regulation regarding political expression, online activity, and public criticism. Foreign nationals can face detention, for action that may be legal in other countries, including commentary critical of government or political figures. Currently, officials have announced a 5-day investigation, but no formal charges have been revealed. This uncertainty has caused alarm for Peter Oyai family and supporters. Dr. Riek Machar court trial in Juba has attracted attention worldwide. Charges against him are severe, including treason, crime against humanity, and other political offenses. Analysts argue that the trial has political undertone and may be influenced by rival faction within the government. Samuel Peter Oyai recent writing questioned whether the trial is being conducted fairly, highlighting inconsistencies in evidence and the conduct of legal authorities. While there is no direct proof link Oyai writing to his arrest, the timing cannot be ignored. Oyai arrest raised question about the safety of South Sudanese citizens living abroad who speak critically about political back home. International organizations often monitor such incidents, emphasizing human rights and freedom of speech. The lack of clarity on Oyai detention may draw attention from advocacy groups concerned about the right of foreign nationals in the United Arab Emirates. Diplomatic channel may be activated if the case gains wider international attention. There is a widespread speculation online regarding the reason behind Oyai arrest. Some believe it is directly related to Dr. Machar trial. Others suggest it could be part of a larger crackdown on South Sudanese critics abroad. Social media is filled with messages from concerned citizens calling for his immediate release and questioning the fairness of the legal process. Experts warn against jumping to conclusion, emphasizing the need to wait for official statement before assigning blame. Oyai family has made a public appeal asking authorities to ensure his safety and to clarify the reason for his detention. The family emphasized that Samuel Peter Oyai is not a threat and that he has consistently promoted peaceful and analytical discussion about South Sudan politics. They call on both South Sudanese authorities and United Arab Emirates officials to provide transparency regarding the investigation. The South Sudanese diaspora has raised in solidarity with Oyai online campaign, hashtag and post demanding his release have spread widely. Community leaders highlight that this arrest could set a concerning precedent for critics and commentators, creating fear among those seeking to report or analyze political events. Several organizations are reportedly monitoring the case closely, advocating for Oyai's safety and release. As of now, Samuel Peter Oyai remains in custody under investigation. Authorities have not publicly released the exact reason for his arrest. Family members and supporters are calling for update and clarity from both United Arab Emirates officials and South Sudanese authorities. We will continue to monitor the situation and bring you updates as they become available. This story remains fluid, and viewers are advised to follow official channel for verified information. In other news, at least 9 members of the Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition under Dr. Machar have reportedly joined the South Sudan People Defense Forces in Magwi County, Eastern Equatoria. The group was led by Brigadier General Taban Daniel Dominic, the former operation commander of the SPLA-IO Anyanya Division Sector 9, and include 8 other officers and enlisted soldiers. During a press briefing in Magwi, General Taban accused SPLA-IO leadership of prioritizing personal gain over the welfare of its forces. He said that the movement had become largely focused on advancing the interests of its leader, Dr. Riek Machar, who is now facing trial for treason and murder charges in Juba. This focus on personal leadership has caused internal rivalry and repeated split, weakening our unity, General Taban stated. The leadership is more concerned with self-preservation with the well-being of its soldiers. Magwi County Commissioner Pole Benjamin welcomed the defectors, describing their decision as a positive step toward peace. We value your choice to return to the system. Together we can strengthen peace and stability, he said. Senior SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force Commander Brigadier General Kolang Tariq Chol Koda assured the new members of complete integration into the National Army. He urged them to remain committed to peace and avoid returning to army opposition, promising official assignment in the coming week. However, the SPLA-IO dismissed claim of mass defection. Deputy spokesperson Colonel Paul Lam Gabriel confirmed only 2 officers, Brigadier General Taban Daniel and Colonel Otema Luka, appear at the switch site. These defections come amid ongoing internal division within the SPLA-IO, raising concern about its cohesion, especially as South Sudan prepare for delayed national elections. This development follows a deadly attack on a national security services based in Kapoita, South Sudan, on South County on September 25, which left 5 national service security personnel dead and 9 injured. The SPLA-IO claimed responsibility, stating that assault was retaliation for alleged abuse by state security forces. Today we have covered the arrest of Sal Peter Oyay in UAE, analyzed potential link to Dr. Machar trial, and reported on key development within South Sudan, SPLA-IO and SSPDF. Naito one taken Dr. Machar again Jack Wurishal Sal Peter Oyay ko bajayen ka United Arab Emirates. Dua bacharing Machar chaja larete jen kaja. Samuel Peter Oyay chala dojen ramkel la South Sudanese politician mela commentator kila roje mitire wika Dubai. Jen chaje yen anetin kontila dini ka Dubai ala authorities. Awajin diego jen Oyan kaje ka kwiko charwa ka kwi Dr. Machar. Ko jen chala den go share Riek Machar chaje support no Riek Machar chaje de yen and Riek Machar kwatar genije. Watching it in con in Terewike Juba, Chicana Goro Bikan with the Shalka Samuel Yayan, Bicana Guan, Canetin con, Tiladini, Ning United Arab Emirates, Dubai. Samuel Peter Oyay, Jen South Sudanese, Katirare, which in Winami. Take a United Arab Emirates, Jen Guadana Titin, Kanajiduare. Kajom Chalat Guasame, what Samuel Peter Oyay, Jen Chajakep, Dor Guadan Titin, Katakel Ka weather. Chaladun Chinati, Shokobakel Ladini, K officer, Tetere Wiki Dubai, Tela Jalabni, Dambakel watching a Benguada down to Yatin can share money. Watch you can door, you can a gore, cause you can take a tanado, gore can, do no chaladu, tell Michigan Jack. A lot of family members, Ning Peter Oyay, Chalado Nena, what down to it and take a 10 managat kick a shake there. Chikalado Nena, Chow Yai, Chaja Yen, Chikaban Canate Con Ladini, Ray Duara. And when Mashugane gag duel, Chala the shake down like She Oyay, Peter Oyay, then and shake Yala and a gentleman shake a benacana, Chane gag duel con a gatka. Then she would take a tanero, duel gurken ching, a man tell Michigan nang, Chang a telephone can nang tell computer Michigan nang, and no Changa do teleja. What you can nang Chukala Oyay, Bajanang, duel yena, Kakor, Nin dang the Bajo Lojok, Michajagan teleja. Nathan Konatika Oyay Dore Wiki United Arab Emirates Chikala Unena, Hidenichi Bendoro Yai, Kachwa Oyay, Chaja Ben Cap Aken. Tala the Canano Chicana Kef, Kakwagamana Kapkaje. Kwakujino Dong, Mitake Dragniki cocaine user Paikaje, but Chalanjenu, a Wajan La Gore, come online, Kajodan La Gorkaje, Kachi Kubikim Yadi to watch a Jala Jorka, Dobadan Yen Canada Dr. Machar. Oyay generally Roske long South Sudanese and on a cogen Laddial Colat Korean La Calade, Mutem Jam Lero de Bellat. Waka Kor Guada Payu, Mabagula Kaba, Cheraka Kui Dr. Machar, Kadobadan, and Yanka Dr. Machar, Kadua Mishajan. A Janichari Machar Chaja Yen, Kadua Mishagua. Jerry Machar Tiga Chong, you know, Chicken Miadit Kana Bonde, Chicken Dr. Machar, Chicken Yen Kadua Mishajan. Jakan lat dobe dan chikorje to jakan nasir me kula wona ko baring Machar baje yenon a jereng Machar yen ka je lora ba ne me dia ne tungwana longo no me dong ba ne tin content rar de wika South Sudan che gatin ne dial content ga diaspora mi chiran charoje ka che ne tin content ga kuma kirm yadi che ga la jor me dong ba ka kap wa de je ga long ko ngai kone ala wuje chal ke me Dubai United Arab Emirates cha na cha ka no ga tin no de kan siasa ki politic de kan alat cha ja gor ken a chang roje ka kwiwin mi de dien bo cha no ko ken but chakula do nene Oyai wajen gwan keneje akume watibul melte ke titin kene te koken ko bana makula ngaje gwa bana ngaje no nene dakrin ma charanta mare wiki juba chaje ke chaje ni tije ga long ke chala do che duer shagalat kan duer to kenen kono kwala luga duno shi Oyai point de chala do nene dungmatu kuma South Sudan te ke per charing ma char chaje de yen ka chaje de luk ko jenetele. There's no concrete evidence that shows that Riek Machar cedwer cejalat. Kajo Macharat gwaseme cara do Oyai point de kan share mana ko shik de jarwai kana ajana shu men ta mangode yal ka kume South Sudan no de kan Oyai de kan jaga jalwinka rai witin winemi you ne to walat kan no na naba wa mi chai yen ko Dubai ke United Arab Emirates wa chai yen lora bang la ja yen ka mudong te ke teladi shit ke ta drug ni mudong meta ka ta ki ka kwang ke chiro do ling boka ti churian lut la ja yan ke ka scammer war to la kana to dong cha gu bon dong cha dia dung siasa ka dung Riek Machar du no ne rwan ti kan no dong ti Riek Machar ti ka titin ko jen rami mu mi Riek Machar ti support so ko kuje mo gor ku mi jen o dara je yen la to ka ta dan lat ke je a jo me dara gwan o di yen ling a ler di na ban ling gwas me chala do ne cha ne dang bang wan tilla SPLA-IO waken chika siai ke chicken defect ko kuma SPLA-IO chicken ko kuma kirmi yadit rai wajen chalke Magwi County ke Eastern Equatorial State ka jomu chalat gwaseme wa SPLA-IO officer neti bom dang bangwan chika tiai ke chicken ko kuma kirmi yadit wa kwerdan jelga ke chalke ke Brigadier General Taban Daniel Dominic jena wa former operation commander ka kuma SPLA-IO ka a nyanya division ke sector 9 jen kene dang bade koken te 9 other 8 officer wa kene dini koken wa chike tiya chike no kuma kirmi yadit ka jomo chalat gwaseme ka Magwi wati General Taban che kuma SPLA-IO che jagwan jelade wonene en kuma SPLA-IO ken kuken focus kering Machar karwade ajene chana per ka kuma SPLA-IO ajenen kuma point letkani Dr. Machar interest kajo ran charat gwasme ajene jen mutay ne kaje kan shaka promise kuma kirmi yadi den wona na kan ba ka moy keleti dit ka kore shaga jogo kuma kirmi yadi den wo chwaro dun jago biala nyoko tay nyok abiya ka kuma Dr. Machar neme to ka Magwi County Magwi County Commissioner Rune Shala Polpele Benjamin che wache ka welcome kan re konan che tay ka kuma SPLA-IO kajo mu chalat gwaseme anetin kon tela commander senior SSPL commander Brigadier General Kulang Tarik Chol chaka jugo no baye moy kelet no baye mat national army chaka jugo no yen kwarun commit ko yen shablo jokke shabno ko mitayen dundo ne chukum SPLA-IO chikan mission me chikana dismiss akan man chalat SSPDF kach akan man chalat deputy kira mdan la kwer ka SSPDF ka kwinen den konin chetiai ba chakula do ne deputy spokesperson colonel Paul Lam Gabriel chela do ne kan two officer din konin chetiai kene dan rotin chetiai Brigadier General Taban Daniel kana colonel Otema Luka Apiri kan siguru den woini wat chika pa da SPLA-IO ajen pele mi chikan lat anyok lat kan no to chukume ishelel isherode che jago ku focus ka Dr. Machar jela kwero jela commander in chief ne aduwa badien dara ator dara jawjiko misio benedi albukan dil nganram na la kweren ko Riek Machar jela commander in chief ka jela chairman ne ka kuma SPLA-IO so ramame ta gumi jaka yow she gurno batika kuma SPLA-IO awe ka jawran kan lat name agenda na talk wa national security ka gwade da na wacha ga ne dang die kuma SPLA-IO ka September 25 kane dang mongon ya moy ka bot ka ala de ne SSPDF cha moy kane dang de ti chilutin kane dang mongon de la jiboni kuma SPLA-IO te charen matkel ke National Salvation Front na mene mi choro la re wishin binami korit lat karodian kuma SPLA-IO ngot kan ka bom ka jawdan ji kalat gwasme ci kolene Paul Lam Gabriel ci la do ne kan officer dang rodin konen chitiai chikan te kan ene won chikati ai ne wal chikan da gwa da ante folin te tin ba but kan ko gur kan ba mun ga credit ke ba ko deploy kuma kem yadit ajen mi jen kan ga kalat kan kuma SPLA-IO jor chikan jo mo chikan lat jo me ajen dan ande kono link kam dan le roda please go no jin abi subscribe kabi notification bell bi jetwan gwa se mene ka Changfied YouTube channel ko mi jette ga mi ci brek ba cho mala ci ba kayya gwa dan pa la rek an bi atamal bye bye